Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, unsaved Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to message any unsaved number on WhatsApp. So before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about WhatsApp, you'll be able to learn one or two things, okay? So let's get to the practical started. So let me make a screenshot. Alright, so you need to click on your Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. So I'm going to make use of Google Chrome now. Then you need to create a new tab. So having created a new tab, that is where you can now make use of address bar. Then to type wa.me/ then the country code of the particular person you want to message on WhatsApp. So I'm going to use Nigerian country code as example, then followed by the phone number. So whichever country of your choice, all you have to do is to make sure that you had the country code first and then followed by the phone number. So when you're done with that, the next thing you have to do, so let me make a screenshot. So you can click on here. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right away. So automatically it's going to load you to a WhatsApp interface, then click on continue to chat. So you can see that this phone number was not installed on my WhatsApp already, and I'm going to message this person right now. So you can come here now and say hello. How you doing? Boom. This is how you message or save phone number on your on WhatsApp. So I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up, and also if you have any further question as far as this tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.